Sometimes when the guard broke down and you got to wait to get around, it's easy to get on feeling blue. I don't feel grown and proud when you got to get yourself all the way across the back just thinking that there's nothing you can do. Nothing, boy! Hey, man, don't cancel me, friend. Don't cancel me, ladies. Get on with this way. Hey, friend, got a letter to send, but now you gotta get there. Oh, what a pity. So I got the solution paid for by the city. Let's go right on the subway. Subway? Subway is a place to be. It's public transportation. What? Transportation for you and me, 'cause it's public. Public? Public. It's there for everyone. Right on the subway. Subway? Subway. Have some fun. Sometimes you have a bad day at work. Because boss was a real big jerk. They really are just eager to get home. I can't wait to get home. So friend doesn't traffic stop there. And you want to tell someone all your problems. But you're stuck inside the car all alone. Hey, Dad, don't get mad. Hey, Mom, try to stay calm. Oh, brother, I wish there was another way home. Oh, just remember the weather day and you can take the subway with all of your friends. You guys get over, my friends. Go right on the subway. Subway? Subway. It's public transportation. What? Transportation for you and me. It's public. What? Public. It's there for everyone. You can ride on the subway. Subway? Subway. Let's hear it again. One more chorus. Subway? What? It's the place to be. It's public transportation. Trans what? Transportation for you and me. It's public. Pub what? Public. It's there for everyone. You can ride on the subway. Subway? Subway. We'll have some fun. One more time. Let's go right on the subway. Subway? Subway. It's the place to be. It's public transportation. Trans what? Transportation for you and me. It's public. Pub what? Subway, yeah. It's there for everyone. You can ride on the subway. Subway? Subway. We'll have some fun.
This was the best subway ride ever!
Let's get off the stupid train.
I hope this is a class project. Please have a class project.
I used the record sentence. In fact, I told him you should use
You're upset because the traffic stopped and you want to tell someone how you dropped and because you got your car all alone.
Hey, don't you get up in my grill. You
Excuse me, have you ever seen an octopus with a nose like his? Come on now. What kind of fly sticks his nose in people and sucks their blood? Come on.
Vampire flies. That's an easy
I don't know. I ain't never seen a vampire fly.
Let's throw one far enough and you oh, thank you. Here it is Richmond. Yes, I'm a mosquito, so my jokes always suck.